The Leiths Culinary Diploma is one of the most respected qualifications in the food industry. 18 weeks of intensive training taking you from the fundamental skills to Michelin-level technique. The Leiths Culinary Diploma is made up of 3 certificates: the Course Certificate, the Professional Certificate and the Diploma Certificate. Each builds on the last, and you'll normally need all 3 in order to achieve the Leiths Culinary Diploma, accredited by CTH at Level 4 in Culinary Arts. Let me explain how it works. The Diploma Certificate is the final stage of the diploma qualification, but it isn't a standalone qualification on its own. Before this, you'll need to take the Professional Certificate, and before that, the Course Certificate, unless you have industry experience or prior learning and qualify for entry at professional level. The Course Certificate can also be taken as a standalone course, a great way to begin to build your confidence before committing to the full diploma. There's no requirement to immediately move on to the next certificate, so you can complete the Leiths Culinary Diploma at your own pace. 3 certificates, 1 highly respected qualification.